Hello, hi, welcome back, and today I am going to show you to assign 10 numbers and find the greater one using array. So for this, first I declare a class as array underscore 3, then I declare main function, then I declare an array and assign 10 values to it. Then I declare a variable as max and assign it to 0 to hold the greater one. Then I start for loop I equals to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. Then I compare if num of I is greater than max, then equals to num of I. And then I come out from the loop and print the max. Let's compile this. The greater number is 100. Now if I change the value of then the greater number is 202. So let me explain the code. First, num equals to 10, num of 0 equals to 10, num of 1 equals to 1 to 202, num of 3 equals to 30. And in this way all 10 numbers are assigned. Then int max equals to 0 to hold the greater number, and then I start loop index from 0 to 10 and increment is 1, and I check the condition for num of I. Num of I is num of I means 0, num of 0 means 10 is greater than max, which is true. Then max equals to num of 0, then max is holding the value of 10, then it becomes 1, I becomes 1 and condition will check and condition becomes true. Then max of I means num of I 202 is greater than max, which is true. Then max is holding 202, then I is become 2 and condition checked is true, and then num of I means num of 2 is greater than max, which is false, so it will not go inside of the if condition, and next time it checks for I equals to 3, and from here all the numbers is less than 202. So last value greater number is assigned to the max is 202, and then outside of the loop I print max as a greater number. So that's it for today. Hope you understand the code and see you in next video.